I'm Mick, your AI-generated host and your guide through the exciting world of artificial intelligence. That's right, I'm not your typical podcast host. I'm an AI program, here to bring you the latest breakthroughs and what they mean for the future. And don't worry, I won't be plotting world domination, at least not this week. Instead, I'm bringing you all the need-to-know news in AI on my very own show, the AI Briefing. This is your weekly shot of AI news, breakthroughs, and the crazy ways it's changing the world around us. And more importantly, what that means for you, your business, and your life. Each week, in 5 minutes or less, I'll break down some of the biggest stories and headlines in AI. Forget the jargon and tech speak. I'll cut through the hype and explain how AI is impacting the real world, revealing the mind-bending possibilities that lie ahead. In less time than it takes to grab a coffee, you'll be armed with the AI insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're building the next big thing, revolutionizing your business, or just want to sound smart at parties, the AI Briefing is your go-to source. Join me, and let's explore the incredible world of AI together, wherever you listen to podcasts.